In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook sign-in error log on the incoming PP IMAP. If you've been experiencing trouble signing into your Outlook account due to this specific error, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a straightforward solution. Let's start by navigating to your computer's control panel. To do this, move your cursor to the Start menu and give it a click. Within the menu, you should see the option labeled Control Panel. Select this, and it will open a new window displaying a variety of settings you can manage. In the control panel, you'll want to locate and click on Programs. This section is where you can manage all the software installed on your computer. Once there, look for Programs and Features. Clicking this option will lead you to a list of all the applications currently installed on your system, which might take a moment to populate, depending on the number of programs you have. With the list now displayed, your next step is to find either Microsoft Office Professional Plus or Microsoft 365, depending on your specific installation. Simply scroll through the list until you locate the Office suite you have installed. Once you find it, select it by clicking on it once. After selecting it, look towards the top of the window. You should see an option labeled Change. Go ahead and click on this. This action will prompt a new window to appear with different options for modifying your Office installation. In this window, you'll find an option to repair the program, select Repair, and then you'll be prompted to confirm that you wish to proceed. Go ahead and do so. The repair process might take a few minutes depending on the state of your files and the speed of your system. During this time, Office will systematically check for any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the sign-in error and work to resolve them. Be patient and let the process complete without interruption. Once the repair process finishes, you'll receive a notification or a message prompting you to restart your computer. This step is crucial because it allows all the changes and fixes to take effect. Close out of any programs you might have open and restart your machine. After your computer has restarted, try to log in to Outlook once again. In most cases, this repair will have resolved the issue and you should now be able to sign in without encountering the previously persistent PP IMAP error. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to address the Outlook sign-in error. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this guide has been helpful in assisting you with this issue. If you continue to encounter any problems, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.